Hey Kyle, what you reading?
Oh, you know, just Sir Isaac Newton's Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica.
The what-a-what-a-what-a-ca?
Well, you see, Sir Isaac Newton wrote a book that had various laws of nature and math. I figured, long weekend, let's do some light reading, you know?
Yeah, that makes sense.
But there's just this one part of it I'm having a little bit of trouble with, and I was wondering if you could come over here and help me.
Yeah, no problem.
Sure, no problem.
I can do that, man.
So, it's about his 3 laws of motion. The first one is, when viewed in an inertial reference frame, an object either is at rest or moves at a constant velocity, unless acted upon by an external force.
Oh, that's easy. Here, I have an experiment set up over here where we can do that.
Awesome. The second law is that the acceleration of a body is directly proportional to and in the same direction as the net force acting on the body, and inversely proportional to its mass. Thus, F equals m times a, where F is the net force acting on the object, m is the mass of the object, and a is the acceleration of the object.
Oh, that's pretty simple too. There's another experiment I can show you how to do it.
Oh, you're prepared.
Yeah.
The third law is, when one body exerts a force on the second body simultaneously exerts a force equal in magnitude and opposite in direction to that of the first body.
It's the easiest one of all. Another experiment.
Wow, you guys are just like the Boy Scouts here or something.
I'm a Boy Scout.
Whoa.
So for Newton's first law, it's basically saying that every object has inertia. And inertia means its resistance to move. Its resistance to movement. So if we, say in this experiment, if we move this cardboard fast enough, the force will not overcome the inertia of this object, the bowl, and it should thus fall straight into the other bowls. So, 1, 2.
Whoa. Science.
Newton's second law states that force is equal to mass times acceleration. And since the Toys R Us truck has more mass than Lightning McQueen, therefore, when the force exerted by the Toys R Us truck onto Lightning McQueen must be greater than the force exerted by Lightning McQueen onto the Toys R Us truck.
Thusly, Lightning McQueen exerts much less force on the Toys R Us truck than the Toys R Us truck exerts on Lightning McQueen. Physics.
No, we were gonna...
Math. Newton's third law states that when one body, such as this car thing, applies a force on a second body, such as this lovely table here, the second body creates a force that is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction to the first body. So when we take the car and go across the table, like this, it goes forward. But if we take the car on, say, this marble setup we have here, the opposite direction will actually push this back while the car goes forward and it won't move at all.
Wow. So you understand it?
Yeah! Who needs this book anymore?
Kyle, we have a test tomorrow.